Now that I have my file that I'm uploading formatted correctly, I choose the campaign and I click on the blue plus sign. A new window will appear. You want to click on the blue button that says Load CSV File. We're going to go out to where we have that information saved. We're going to click on that Excel spreadsheet and it's going to automatically bring it into the dialing platform. You notice that it has business name, our phone numbers in there 2 times just like we thought it would be. We have the name, address, city, state, zip, etc. From the drop-down, you map this information. So, business name to the business name field. The phone number is always going to be, the first one is going to have the asterisk to the phone number field. Your second data file is going to come down into your second phone field. The name will be the first and last name. Depending on the data file that you're uploading, the first and last name can be in the same field or they could be in separate fields. The way we set the dialing platform up gives you the option to either put the first and last name in one field. If they're separated by different columns, you can put the first name in one field and the last name in the second. Once again, we're going to click on the address and we're going to go right down our list and just map all these just as simple as this is. Now keep in mind that not all of your information that is in your data file that you upload that you actually need to bring into the dialer. So sometimes you only have specific information that you want to load, and that's okay. You choose what you want to upload into the dialing platform. After mapping all the fields, I want to click on all of the buttons down the left-hand side, all 6 of them. The first one is prevent duplicate phone numbers against all previous contacts. That means it's going to scrub against all your different campaigns, regardless of how many campaigns that you have. The second option is randomize. It means it's going to go down the list and randomize the numbers to put into the dialer to be called. If you wanted them to call straight down the list, obviously you would just uncheck that randomize button. The next option is prevent duplicate phone numbers in the file. That means the file that you're uploading. The next one is prevent duplicate phone numbers in the campaign itself. The next one is scrub against your do not call list. That do not call list is going to come from leads that you upload in there as a file from a previous format, or as your agents go through and run through campaigns, they're going to mark leads as DNC. The next button you're going to check is I'm allowed to call these contacts. If you notice that when I uncheck that, the upload button to the right, the blue, goes away. You have to click I'm allowed to call these contacts so that blue upload button will appear and it will automatically load those contacts. You will have another pop-up window that comes up and says that this file will be uploaded in typically 10 minutes. The max file that you want to upload at one time is 10,000 records. So once the dialer has finished uploading, click close. You'll click the refresh button, and now you'll notice to the right here we have 1,610 records that are ready to be called. Over to the right, in the first blue box, you'll see 1,610 uncalled, 0 out of time, and called once. As you go through and your agents are calling these leads, the stats will change. Now keep in mind, now that we click on the graph chart, now that we have leads uploaded, it will actually give you a pie chart once you start calling those leads, and it will break it down by all your different dispositions that you have. And now the campaign is ready to be dialed.